Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through something super useful for anyone building a website, how to set up member login pages and add member restrictions on Wix, even if you're brand new to Wix. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a members-only area where you control who can sign up and access your site. So let's jump in and get you set up for success. First, go ahead and open up your Wix web design dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. You'll notice there are loads of options and features, but don't worry. We're going to take it step by step so you never feel lost. Once you're in, look for the Pages and Menus section. This is basically the heart of your site navigation. It lets you see all the sections and pages your visitors can move through. Clicking into Pages and Menu makes sure you're working in the right place, setting the stage for exactly where you want your members to log in. Next, you'll want to find and select the Sign Up and Login options. These are designed to help you manage how users create accounts and access your site. Sometimes these settings can be tucked away a little, so take a moment to explore if you haven't seen them before. Think of this area as the gatekeeper for your website. It's where you design how people enter your members-only world. From here, you'll see multiple options for how you want members to log in. You'll want to click on the Members Login form, and then, instead of choosing the default, select Custom Form. Choosing a custom form gives you a lot more control over the experience. You can tweak the look and feel, ask for specific details, and really shape how the login process fits into your site's design. If you want something unique or just want more options, custom forms are your friend. Once you've got your custom form set up, the next step is to select Existing Member Login. This is important because it's designed for the folks who already have accounts. If you've got returning visitors or longtime members, this form makes their access smooth and familiar. It's kind of like having a VIP entrance just for those who've already signed up. Now, let's head over to the Settings area. This part might take a few moments to locate, but it's definitely worth your time. Inside Settings, you'll see a crucial option: Who can be a site member? This controls how open or closed your community actually is. For the highest level of security and control, maybe you're running a private group, a school club, or any exclusive membership, choose Only People I Manually Approve. This makes sure nobody sneaks in without your say-so. It might sound a little strict, but it's great for keeping your space safe, welcoming, and exactly the way you want it. Once you've made that selection, hit Save. Don't forget this step. Saving locks in your preferences so you don't have to worry about changes not being applied. And there you have it. You've just set up a login page and restrictions that put you in control of who joins your community. Remember, it's totally normal if some settings feel a little tricky at first. Take your time and revisit any steps as often as you need. If something doesn't look right, it's usually just a matter of double-checking your choices. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Wix feature you'd like to see covered. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, effective website tips, and I'll see you in the next video.